the flight. Should you require additional lighting, just press that light bulb sign in the console above your seat. Thank you.
Nous allons maintenant utiliser l'éclairage de la cabine pour la durée du vol. Vous pouvez allumer votre lumière de
I'm on my way right now to Mobe, place where I call home.
Still right here.
It's out, but we're not sure.
Jamaica's under Hurricane warning.
Well, they said it's traveling in the part of Gilbert and Ivan, so we'll watch it. I'm not think I'm not going. I just look at rain.
I hope not.
I think so. Last year, I can recall button up window and everything.
Last year just pure rain, right?
Yeah. About the rain. Button up window and everything and things about worse.
My mother always tell me stories about Gilbert, the year of Gilbert.
Yeah, the wicked. I used to live in the country at that time and I was still going to school.
And you still remember it.
Yeah, man. Take out from the whole stuff. Me one side.
Sad.
Yeah. I used to raise some pigeon and guinea pig and all that. It was this morning because today anniversary party. So
yeah.
My birthday actually.
Okay.
I was listening to that.
Oh God, Lucy and traffic. Cause school's done. I would have. I'm not saying.
This one your family?
Huh?
This one your family?
Yeah.